Modern social platforms operate on a strict quota system. They prioritize accounts that publish new material every single day, burying channels that spend weeks crafting a single high-quality post. Attempting to meet that daily quota manually requires a pace of ideation, filming, and editing that most people simply cannot sustain. The sheer volume of work guarantees that 9 out of 10 creators will burn out before they ever see traction. To scale production, businesses and independent creators typically face two terrible choices. You either sacrifice all your remaining free time mastering complex editing software, or you drain your operating capital to hire an external production agency. This chart maps effort against publishing consistency. Trading hours for single videos traps you in the burnout zone. To compete, break that linear relationship. Move to the low-effort, high-consistency quadrant, a structural advantage called the automation asymmetry. Survival in a high-volume feed requires abandoning manual labor entirely. You have to implement systems that completely sever the link between the time you invest and the content you generate. Faceless.video is built specifically to bridge that gap. It operates as a personal, 24/7 content creation team that is entirely driven by artificial intelligence. Your initial input is narrow. You simply select a narrative direction and set a visual style. From those few parameters, the system takes over completely, generating and publishing engaging videos on a daily schedule without any further prompting. To accurately assess this tool, we need to look at its return on investment, or ROI. ROI is a metric used to evaluate the efficiency of an investment by comparing the financial return against the upfront cost. We need to determine if paying for this platform is a simple operational cost or a strategic investment for those creators who simply cannot afford to trade their hours for video clips. Look at this standard video production pipeline. Ideation, scripting, filming, editing, and scheduling. Each step is a massive drag on your time. Faceless.video applies a set-it-and-forget-it protocol to this exact problem. The entire pipeline collapses into a single automated engine. The artificial intelligence assumes full responsibility for writing the scripts, executing the edits, and publicly posting the final videos to your channels every day. But operating at this level of automation requires a specific trade-off. You have to completely sacrifice granular, frame-by-frame editorial control over your output. You trade the ability to tweak individual jump cuts for a strategic advantage, a relentless publishing schedule that keeps your channel active every single day without manual oversight. Surrendering that micro-level control in exchange for macro-level consistency is the only scalable method for running a channel on true autopilot. Relying entirely on automation carries a risk. It often produces generic, easily recognizable AI output that audiences quickly learn to ignore. Faceless.video mitigates this through specific brand customization parameters. You can lock in specific typography choices, like the Montserrat font, and establish visual styles to ensure your content stands out from the default generated media. For businesses that need a recognizable, recurring human presence without keeping an actor on payroll, the platform includes an AI avatars feature. This does require a brief upfront time investment from you. You have to establish these visual templates before you activate the autopilot system. That initial curation acts as a filter. It transforms raw AI output into a bespoke brand identity, which yields dividends in long-term audience recognition. Beyond simply calculating the value of the hours you save, we need to look at the direct financial returns the platform offers. For aggressive creators, the Faceless.video affiliate program serves as a direct revenue multiplier. The mechanics are straightforward. You earn a 20% commission on every sale from a referred user, and that commission is paid out every single month for the entire duration of their subscription. Top platform affiliates have already generated over $10,000 in earnings using this exact structure. Earning those payouts requires a shift in strategy. You have to actively share your channel's growth and results to attract signups, turning a tool that runs in the background into an active focus for your promotions. When leveraged correctly, this program converts the software from an operational expense into a self-liquidating asset, generating a reliable secondary revenue stream. Let's be clear about what this is. Faceless.video is explicitly not designed for auteur filmmakers who want to spend 40 hours handcrafting a single video. Its value is mapped to a different demographic: time-poor business owners, content hustlers maintaining their anonymity, and marketers focused strictly on ROI. Look at this digital scorecard to determine if this platform fits your strategy. Do you need daily volume? Do you value your time over total editorial control? Do you want to maintain your anonymity? In the modern digital economy, sheer volume and unwavering consistency are the primary currencies of success. You have to stop engaging in the losing battle of trading your strictly limited hours for minimal, manual output. Use the link below to start for free. Test the customizable Autopilot for yourself, and lock in a subscription to put a 24/7 content agency on your payroll for a fraction of the cost of a traditional team.